everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.
Hi, this is Naj. She hustles all day, every day. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my page. I truly appreciate you all. So today I finally got some great news. I've been waiting 2 months to do a refinance on an investment property that I own. And when I tell you, this thing has been dragging for 2 months. So today my broker just called me about 2 minutes ago to tell me I got my clear to close. So that means now we can schedule for a closing date, because I'm working on this property that I got from my mother, and I need money to pay my contractor. I need money to pay for my materials, because I'm selling this house. So I still gotta try to convince my mother to let me sell this property. So that's gonna be a challenge for me. It's been a challenge trying to convince her. So I'm also in the process of trying to buy another investment property. It's a townhome, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. So that's another reason why I need this refinance to happen ASAP, but it's just been dragging. I don't know whoever said it's easy being a real estate investor or buying a property, selling a property, or even refinancing. It is stressful. I was starting to stress. I was ready to go off on my broker because he's not straightforward. And it's like, I'm like, listen, dude, let me know if this is going to go through or not, so I can figure out what I got to do, who I need to go borrow money from. Right now, just on this investment property that I'm purchasing, I need almost, $60,000. And right now, I don't have any of it. So I don't know how I'm going to come up with this money, okay, for me to be able to close on this property on Tuesday. I'm trying to have my lawyer call now the bank that I'm buying the property for to see if we can get an extension. And when I tell you, these people literally text and call my phone and email me every freaking day, because they're like, okay, where's your mortgage commitment? When are we supposed to close? And I just been dragging my feet, and I don't want to lose this deal, but I may be losing this deal. I'm in my car now, about to take off. I have to go by the house in Hillside just to see exactly what they're doing. My contractor's been sending me some pictures and videos of what they're doing over there, and it's coming out to be really, really beautiful. I can't wait to see how this house turns out, because I am ready to sell this house and get this profit. I'm telling you, I think I can possibly get anywhere between $430 to $450 for it. So listen, you do the numbers. I got debts I need to pay off. I'm looking to sell this house. I just need to convince my mother to let me sell it.
What?
Because I did buy it for her, so I feel kind of bad. I feel like I'm gonna be like the worst daughter on earth if I don't get her on board with me. But I'm trying my best.
Go get the money, go get the money. Go get the money, go get the money.
Okay, so let's see what they have done. Okay, so they did the wood floor. So this is the living room, kitchen, dining room. They haven't cleaned up, but it's okay. I'm sure they will. They did the wood floors today. Look at this. Love it. All right, let's go up. I'm here to see the bathroom. I know they finished the bathroom. So let's see. This is the room. I don't know if you guys can see the bathroom. Yes, they got the saddle down on both sides. Okay. This is nice. Look at the nice jacuzzi tub. Okay. This is a big bathroom. Wow. Listen, whoever gets this house is going to love it. All right, let's go see. Oh, excuse the mess. I hate when these contractors don't clean up after themselves, but I know my guy will make sure this is cleaned up in no time. Okay, so this is the other bathroom, right? So we went with the same exact tiles. just pretty much a different layout. This is nice. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So down here, I'm gonna do laminate flooring, which we ordered, but it did not get here yet. Okay. Okay. All right, nice. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, okay. Oh, I was supposed to call the inspector. That's right, I gotta call the inspector because he needs to see here. Oh man, I forgot about this. Shoot. So I gotta take care of that. All right, guys, again, thank you for watching my video. Please make sure you share it. Please make sure you subscribe to Naj She Hustles. You guys will be able to see my other hustle that I do.